Welcome back to day 18 of our chair yoga plus seated Tai Chi, Qigong, and breath work. Today we're going to be doing a very common Qigong exercise that is in almost every system. It is sometimes called supporting the heavens with both hands or pressing up and pressing out. I'm going to call it this particular variation, lifting the sky. And I chose this variation because I think it works best from a seated position for the most amount of people. So if we start off with our hands pressing away from us, down and away from us, palms toward the ground, the palms are going to rise up overhead, press up against the sky, fingertips to the sky, and then the arms float back down. And when we move, we're going to lean forward a little bit so that we can press, inhale up, exhale down. This is just going to be a natural movement. Inhale up, exhale down, breathing in, breathing out. Inhale, press, exhale down, inhale, exhale. Now, close your eyes, breathing in, press, breathing out, arms go down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, press, exhale down. Inhale up, press, exhale down. Breathing in as the hands go up, breathing out as the hands go down. Inhaling, pressing up, exhaling, floating down. Inhale, exhale, pressing up, floating down. Breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out. Lifting the sky. Keep on going and link your breath to your motion. All you're doing is breathing in as your arms go up, breathing out as the arms go down. Do a few more. Hands back to our laps or on top of our knees, whatever's comfortable. And I'll see you tomorrow.